All right, good afternoon. It's Saturday after Christmas, so time to put some small stuff on the trailer. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so the only difference today working on the trailer is I brought myself a little buddy. Luke! Yeah, yeah. All right, so you might ask, why am I doing more stuff to the trailer? What needs else to be done in the trailer? It seems like half the videos are trailer videos. Well, that'd be a fair assessment. But some of the things I'm going to do today are, I think, going to enhance my experience when I'm at the track. So I have all these lights above me, and they're pretty bright. So I have my white lights and I have my red lights for nighttime and keep them some night vision. But even the red lights are honestly too bright for what I want on, like when going to sleep. So, kind of what do you do with that? And those little boxes over there are 3 little dimmers. Some put one on the red light circuit, one on the white light circuit, and then one on my door out here. Just so if it's going to be me cooking or something out there next to the door, I don't want to be putting full brightness out towards other people that are trying to just have a nice evening. So yeah, that's kind of what that part of the project is. The other part, you can see over there, those computer fans. I'm going to wire those into the power behind that little charging port. And honestly, the most important part, Luke, is getting this pup more comfortable and accustomed and used to being in the trailer, so he can eventually come to the track with me. Right, Luke? Yeah. All right, so enough of what I'm going to do. Let's get to the how we're going to do it. So this dimmer switch, red and black, are both going to the power, so interrupting the power, and then this white is our ground. All right, so I don't remember how many or how much extra space I have, but regardless, we can go ahead and pull my switch panel and my my little adapter bracket so it actually fit in the wall. Pull both of this out. Just like that, plan has already had to change because these corners were just a little bit catching on the 1-inch circle, and I don't have a thinner multi-tool blade, so now we have big holes. All right, and save you guys the boring bits, but first switch goes to my first dimmer. So there we go, and we dim. Awesome. Leave it at full bright right now. Go to my reds, which is going to be my third dimmer, I believe. Third dimmer, there's red, and there's dim red. Love it. Back to full bright. And then my exterior light, full bright, dim, full bright. All right, so let's go ahead and button this wall back up, and this part's done. Look. Ah, look, give it back. All right, so I reprinted my helmet drying piece in green, mainly because I had green left over. So I made it a little taller and made some holes on the sides. But yeah, largely the same design as over here. I need to glue this in place so it doesn't just free nilly. But it does work. It does work pretty dang well. I do need to clean up all of my spots that I've done everything with over here. Floor on that side of the wall from doing the E-track. Hey, bud. Luke. Yeah. 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 All right, so all in all, fairly easy project. Takes a little bit of time just having to take some of these panels down to access some ground areas and run some wires. Not that big of a deal. Same thing on that side. Again, not that big of a deal. But I do have my dimmers, and Yay. So dimmers work on all of them. And yeah, that's it. Fairly easy project, fairly straightforward project. But it is going to allow me not to have very bright lights when I don't need to have bright lights. Saves power, saves my eyes, gives me something to do. Anyways, if you enjoy, please consider doing something for the algorithm. Like, comment, subscribe. Hype, I think, is a new thing that YouTube is doing for small creators. But anyways, we'll see you next time. Thanks.